video has been a long time coming. After I bought the car, I realized the e-brake, the parking brake, the handbrake, I'm going to use these terms interchangeably throughout this video. I realized the parking brake lever was fairly soft, but didn't really take any action on it. And I did at one point park on a slight, decline, pulled the parking brake and left, did not have the car in gear, and it creeped forward and it rolled into a chain link fence. And it left a tiny little mark on the star shield. And I thought, of course, when I came out and I saw the car on the fence, I'm like, what's going on? Anyway, so this one has been nagging at me. I don't know why it took me so long to get around to it, almost a whole year since I've owned the car. But anyway, let's fix this right now.
So now that I've done this, I can tell you that it's a fairly simple system. So in this view here, we're actually, the wheel is off and we're looking through the brake rotor, and there's sort of a access hole that you can access and adjust the gear for the shoes. Basically, I've highlighted that gear in yellow. It's at the top, and here's sort of the inside view. You can see the shoes there, and you basically need to spread them and expand them so that they are closer to coming in contact with the drum. And once you expand them, then as you pull up on your emergency brake or parking brake, it'll actually engage, whereas currently it doesn't. So I've got the hub here, and I've got it nearly vertical. It's actually a couple of degrees forward from vertical. And if you look in there, and this, this is free spinning right now, but if you look in there right there, that is the gear for adjustment of the parking brake. So the action is to get in here and turn this down. And you turn it down as many times as it takes that you can't spin this by hand anymore, and then you back it off. Man, this is kind of tough. Bigger screwdriver might help. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Okay, anyway, so now I've got a bigger screwdriver, and same concept. We're turning down until we can't turn this anymore. I'm just kind of working by feel, because I think it's working. Can't actually see that it is. Ooh, oh yeah, it's getting harder. This is maybe, I have to count it, 7 or 8 different turns. And when I say turns, I'm really just, yeah. The service manual says to do it that you can no longer turn it and then back it off a couple. So that's no longer turnable. And then 1, 2, let's see what that. Oh, okay. Seems very turnable, but let me see if I can. There's a middle ground there. Wow, the difference between off and on is significant. All right, there it is. Now we are rubbing a little bit, so that feels about right. All right, we'll try it on the other side. All right, so let's find the, there it is. Find the spot. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 locked it. So now loosen it up. 1, 2, that's it. That should be it right there. So on my car, it looked like 10 notches was what it took with the big old screwdriver. On your car, depending on the wear of the brake shoes, it might be more or less. Of course, how much it's out of adjustment. But that was fairly easy. I don't know if that's going to solve the problem, but hopefully it does. I would love if I didn't have to be on exactly the last click all the time. It'd be nice if I could be on like a middle click. 3/4 would be ideal.
you know, something like that. So I'm pretty close to getting this all buttoned back up.
So this maintenance was awesome. Delightfully, I can report that the car starts to resist rolling on click number 3, and it holds strong on click number 4, which is way better than what it was before.
I'm pretty excited because basically the car is ready to go back together. Transmission fluid changed, clutch line wrapped, and the parking brake has been adjusted. So let's button this thing up. And I found out that this Undertray was actually upside down. It was rotated, so it does not poke yoke. The bolt locations are all symmetrical, so it can be installed upside down, which is not great. So that's what was causing that issue. So I'm hoping to actually get some better cooling out of this when it's installed correctly. So a little bonus here of doing all this. All right, flip over. Put your head down because this needs to go above our head. So this is gonna go like this. This is the right way. And probably the easiest way to see that this is the right way is because the ribs are hidden. The ribs are facing up. And notice that the exhaust very nicely now fits in these cutouts, which apparently it didn't before, which is annoying to me because why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't have someone got that right?
There's more, Dad.
All right, let me get one in. Shoot. Get one in to hold this, and then we can start moving quickly. Alright, that one looks easy enough to do, so that's the one.
My head.
Oh, sorry. Okay, drumstick, I need another one. Another bolt. What's nice is the front of this is actually captured, so I don't have to worry about that falling on my head. That's right, we'll go there, but I'm actually going to put it over here on this side first, just to make things easy. Alright, drumstick, come on.
Knock that out.
I dropped something. Can you get that?
My hands are getting dirty, Mom. Because I work for Dad. Dad's hands are dirty too.
Alright, that's fine. Alright, I need another bolt. Bolt.
It's in my hand.
Okay, well, it needs to be in my hand. Come on. There we go. Thank you. Next. Yeah, next. Thank you. Come on.
I got a lot coming.
You got a lot coming?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, sounds good to me. Okay.
I don't got another one.
That's all we got. All right. That'll do.
That'll do. That'll do.
Thank you.
Thank you.